you see Kylie Jenner? Yes. So I see. Let me explain you how this work or the energy of the chart works. So you see that this is her first house, and you see she is a Cancer ascendant. Cancer ascendant, being a Cancer ascendant, I see that she's very emotional person, very attached to her motherland, and very emotional person, loves eating food, and she is very empathetic. But let's see where her moon is. The lord of her first house, that is moon, is in her fourth house of mother. So whatever she learns or whatever she will use in her life will be coming through her mother, because you see the focus is in fourth house of motherly nature. She herself is mother, and being a Cancer, her whole focus is on the nurturing part. And the first thing, now we all know that she has become a teen mom, and that is, you see that element of moon is so active in her chart. Moon is again in the fourth house of mother, land, properties, vehicles, and all. Okay, so this is her general chart energy. What is your fourth house? Fourth house is your peace. Want to be always happy, want to be always smiling and healing people and making them happy. So you see her focus, and what would she be thinking to do in life or to achieve in life. So that's what her personality is. And now we know that she has very powerful mom, because you see Mars and Moon conjunction here in the sign of Libra. So when Mars and Moon, these two planets are very very beneficial planet in terms of money. And again, the sign is Libra. Is a very luxurious sign, is a very money oriented sign. It's a sign of relationships, it's a sign of business. So how her mother is. Her mother is the best person in the whole world, who is known for her business tactics, who is known for her smart brain. Because Mars and Moon is also Lakshmi yoga, goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth. Anybody who has Mars and Moon conjunction has this Lakshmi yoga, which is always like showered with the money in their chart. So this person is going to be rich and super rich. Anyways, her she was born in a wealthy family also, but now she has so much of wealth on her own name because of her mother. She's achieving all these things because of her mother. Her mother's is very supportive, and you see the sign of Libra, and the Lord is sitting in her second house of wealth. So her mother is very influential, and a person who is tutoring her, guiding her in order to be a billionaire or whatever she is right now. Okay, and this was about her mother. And why is she famous for? So she is famous for her she's famous for her third house. And what is the sign of third house? Is Virgo. Something which she's doing for people, which is she's changing lives of people. How? By giving them some products, because the Lord is sitting in Mercury, in Leo. Leo is show off, like to improve lives of people. Something which can give them good ego, which can help them boost their self-confidence. So she is making products which help people to boost their self-confidence, and she is using this by second house is a natural Taurus, and Taurus is your face also. So the moment she did altercations to her face, her second house of money got activated basically. And that's how you know that her money is coming through her Leo. And again, when she became pregnant, her Leo got activated. And you see there is so much of secrecy in fifth house of kids. We have Scorpio there. Her whole pregnancy was hidden, and the Lord is sitting in the Aquarius sign. So there is a transformation in her gains. After the birth of her child, there was a huge her Aquarius got activated, and her wishes all came true. And yeah, also I want to tell you another one good conjunction in her chart is that this is 11th house, the house of wish fulfillment, and the Lord is sitting in her second house of money. So she just have to wish for something, and it will come true, and this will only earn more. This will only give her benefits in her savings, because her 11th house of wish fulfillment is again connected to her second house of savings and money. Because you see the sign of Taurus here too, and we all know that Venus is the lord of Taurus, and Venus is sitting here with Rahu. Rahu multiplies everything. So Rahu with Venus is luxury. So there is unlimited luxury in her life. There is no stoppage anywhere in her life. So, and basically 11th house is also your elder siblings, and the Lord is with Rahu. So that whoever her elder siblings will be, they will be super powerful, super luxurious, and super rich. Now coming to her father, you see her father, Caitlyn Jenner, earlier, who was Bruce Jenner. He sort of had the identity crisis. You see the Pisces sign here. Pisces is dual sign, and the confusion is there about his own identity. Saturn retrograde is there, so there is something very heavy with the personality, and the Lord is in the and Lord is debilitated in Capricorn. So there is also exchange yoga happening, like both the planets are controlling each other's sign, that you cannot do bad to me and I cannot do bad to you. So that is the saving grace. But there is identity crisis, and he was able to fulfill his wish because of this exchange yoga. Suppose this Jupiter was somewhere else debilitated, then he might have had that identity crisis throughout his life, but he would have never been able to do that sex change actually. But because Saturn is controlled by Jupiter and Jupiter is controlled by Saturn, because they have give and take relationship here, he was able to do what he wanted to do in his life. And that's how this is the chart of Kylie Jenner. And there's so much of Mars involved in the sign of Libra. So much of enthusiasm to earn money, which is very good, and it is automatic. She's able to attract a lot of money because Scorpio is in her sign of you know karmic house, which is fifth house, is your Purva Punya Bhava, which is related to your earlier births. So she has Scorpio there, and the Lord is sitting in the Aquarius sign, which is Aquarius is wish fulfillment, natural 11th house. So yes, so this was the chart of Kylie Jenner. I hope you like my